A non-porous spherical Fe2O3 particle of initial radius 5 × 10⁻² meter is topo-chemically reduced by H2, where the reactant product interface is sharp and spherical. The reaction rate is proportional to the interfacial area. The radius of the unreacted Fe2O3 particle after 600 seconds will be dash. So for the calculation of radius of unreacted Fe2O3, we will use the shrinkage core model for a spherical particle. So the rate of reaction RT equals to R0 minus K into T. So we have R0 as 5 × 10⁻² meter as the initial radius. We have the value of K as 5 × 10⁻⁵ meter per second as the rate constant, and we have the time of 600 seconds. So calculating RT, we have 5 × 10⁻² minus 5 × 10⁻⁵ into 600. We will get 2 × 10⁻² meter. So according to the question, then our answer will be 2 for this question.